Did you think the new normal would be, new? I hope so too. But we now have a study by Oxfam which says that more than 51% of the world's COVID-19 vaccine stocks have already been bought by a group of rich countries: US, UK, EU, Australia, and Japan. They represent only 13% of the world's population. Almost 90% of us will be fighting for less than half of the COVID-19 stock if and when we have one. And that's the question of the hour, isn't it? When will we have a COVID-19 vaccine? I'll give you an update shortly. My name is Pallavi Prasad, and here's the newsworthy COVID-19 bulletin you need. There are 8 vaccine candidates in the final stages of trial, but 5 are especially promising. From the UK, AstraZeneca is testing Oxford University's vaccine. From Russia, Gamaleya and Russian Direct Investment Fund or RDIF's candidate. From America, 2 vaccine candidates being tested by Moderna and Pfizer. Moderna recently said that it will know if its vaccine works by November. And then there's Sinovac's vaccine trials in China. As to when we'll get a vaccine, it depends which country you're in. In the US, the director of the US CDC says mid-2021. In China and Russia, there are reports that selective inoculation has already begun, with vaccines still in trials. And in India, yesterday the health minister said that a vaccine could be available by the beginning of next year, but it would still take time to reach everyone. 3 global manufacturers have signed pact with companies to test, produce, and distribute the candidates in India if and when the time comes. One is AstraZeneca, of course. Serum Institute of India is conducting trials as we speak. This is considered our most promising lead. In a new development, American company Novavax has also signed a deal with SII. Its vaccine candidate is currently in mid-stage trials. But the wild card truly is Russia's Sputnik 5. Dr. Reddy's labs in India has partnered with RDIF to test and distribute the controversial vaccine, which is still in the trial stage but has already been registered and reportedly put in use. Locally, India is working on 2 candidates which are still in phase 1 and 2 of trials. India's COVID-19 case tally crossed the 52 lakh mark today. They're barely milestones anymore since we're crossing them each day. 10 lakh people are sick as we speak, and over 84,000 have passed away. Globally, over 3 crore people have been infected with COVID-19 9 months since the first few cases were detected in Wuhan, China. Over 944,000 people have died. The US is the worst hit with over 66 lakh cases. US, India, and Brazil account for over half of all of the world's cases. Before I go, do you remember when the lockdown was first imposed, the billionaire Vadhvana Brothers, accused of fraud and money laundering, they violated all rules and traveled from Khandala to Mahabaleshwar in 5 cars with family, cooks, and other staff? A whole political thing was made out of it between the Shiv Sena and the BJP. The police officer who gave them written permission to do so was the Principal Secretary, Home Department then. He was sent on leave pending inquiry, got a clean sheet, and now has received a plum promotion. Now he's police chief of Pune city. That's all for today. My name is Pallavi Prasad. Thanks for listening.